you. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Wow, we're excited to try the seafood here. This is just amazing. We're gonna have some real seafood here. Oh, wow, that's huge. What type is this? Mud crab. Mud crab. And what should we get it cooked in? Butter? Butter garlic. Okay. Let's get this one. Look at the size of that mud crab. Look at the claws on that. That is huge. In butter garlic, right? Wow. So we're gonna get that mud crab in butter garlic. See you soon. On the table. Amazing. Oh. And this is the lobster. So we got lobster and jumbo prawn.
Jumbo prawn, this is the lobster.
Wow. And mud crab. That's amazing. And after ordering up the lobster with a chettinad spicy and creamy coconut sauce and the jumbo prawn in mint and coriander, the seafood all arrived on the table, covered in delicious sauces, ready to eat bite after bite of juicy, flavor-packed joy. Look at that. What? The lobster. Lobster chatina in a curry. It's got a gravy, rich gravy. Wow. Oh, and
This is the tiger prawn.
the tiger prawns.
Yeah.
Haryali one.
Haryali with the green spice.
Green spice.
Indian, Korean and green chili.
Okay. Look at the size of all of this seafood. Wow. Just look at the size of this giant mud crab. Look at the claws on there. Oh, that is the biggest claw I've ever seen. Look at the flesh on that claw, drizzled in garlic and butter. Oh, and you can just see, oh, it's dripping out. And that is amazing. And then we've got a beautiful lobster over here as well. Oh, so all of the flesh has been scooped out and fried in a rich, dark curry. And of course, these beautiful prawns. Oh, the rice. Appam. So it's like a steamed rice flour.
Steamed rice.
Oh, amazing. Thank you. Look at the size of that claw drizzled in garlic and butter. It's just giant. Oh, and the flesh is just bulging out. Let's try it out. Oh, wow. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that is insane. Wow. That is just the most succulent, garlicky, buttery flesh. Oh, it just pops in your mouth. I just had the biggest bite of crab meat I've ever had. It was just like a